Alright guys, I'm having a problem with my chicken watering systems. The first system that I built works great. I'm going to put a link to that here. It uses those chicken nipple waterers. The problem is that my chickens don't know how to use them. I thought after a while they'd get used to it and know how to use it, but they don't. And they never did figure it out. So again, that system works great if you want to build one, and again, that link will be here. But unfortunately they don't know how to use it. So my next chicks, I'm going to raise them to use those chicken nipple waters and get some use out of that thing. The next water here is this 5-gallon water. That works great. They use it all the time. I keep it under the coop here so it doesn't get rained on. The problem I'm having is, because it's under the coop, I can't raise it off the ground anymore because it's hitting the floor of the coop. So every time they scratch, they end up throwing all their bedding dirt in there, and the water gets nasty. So my only other solution here is to take that water out of there, put it out here, raise it up off the ground high enough so when they do scratch, it doesn't throw junk in there. But yet have it high enough, probably around chest level, so they can just stick their head in there, drink their water, and everything should be fine, hopefully. But what I have to build here is a little housing for it. So that's what I'm going to do next. All right, guys, the project for the chicken water is done. It's been sitting out here for 3 days now. The height on that water up to this ridge right here is 9 inches off the ground. Okay. The width here is 3 feet and the depth is 3 feet. Okay, so it's 3 feet by 3 feet. The height up to this point here, before the trusses sit on top, is 2 feet. And as far as the truss here, and I didn't use a ridge beam, and I know you guys are going to say, well, that's not up to code. But that's okay, because it is up to chicken code. I checked. The angle here for the truss is 35 degrees. So it looked good. It worked out that way just right, and that's the way I made it. Okay. What else? What else? The hooks that you saw when I put the water on there, those are just bicycle hooks that you can get for your garage. You can get those at any hardware store. And I guess that's about it, guys. 3 feet by 3 feet. The water is 9 inches off the ground. It's basically about their chest level. But I noticed because of all this bedding I got in here, I might need to raise this up. I might put a block under each corner or something. We'll see. But so far so good. The water is fairly clean, and well, it's very clean actually. But that of course could change tomorrow. We don't know. All right, guys. The flashing, or the flashing. Well, the flashing here I had. That's not that expensive, of course. You can get a small roll of that for, I don't know, 10 bucks maybe, if that. This corrugated roofing stuff here, the sheeting, it was 8-foot sheets by 2 feet wide. They were $17, I think, $17, $18 a sheet. So I needed 2 of those, and that worked out good. It's pretty thin stuff. Like you saw in the video, I was cutting it with those shears. That's good enough. That works good. Of course, you got to watch the sharp edges on here. What I'm thinking of doing is get some rubber hose, putting a slit in it, and then putting it in here. Because I'm afraid of whacking my head on here, but I don't think I will. But just in case, probably like a hose. Put a slit down the hose and then put it on here. That would work. Maybe glue it or something, I don't know. Alright, guys, I guess that is about it. Oh, you're probably wondering why I put one sheet here of plywood and not anywhere else. It's because in the morning the sun comes in from this direction, and with the sun coming in, it'll hit the water, and the water will turn all green. So by putting a board here, I should stop that from happening. The other sides I left open so they can run in and out. I guess that's it. Alright, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did like it, please like, subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the notification bell. And that will alert you to a new video. Again, thank you for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. You want to get in here? Here, drink your water.